Hey there, how are you? Last week I shot a video on formula columns and how these were useful to manipulate data, enter data in an automated way. I don't know if you caught that video, so let's do a bit of a recap. So I created two columns, service level and response time. The first one is a choice column. The second one is a duration column, a number column, if you like. And these are dependent on the priority column. So if we change this to low and save the record, both service level and response time are going to change as well. If we go normal, they change again, and then we can go back to where we started. So this got me thinking, how will these columns do in a Canvas app? So I've built a very simple Canvas app. We got a list of records on the left. They're the same as we have here, okay? So this is the same database, and a simple form to create a new case, and even a blank space. I don't know what to do with it just now. So let's select an account and a contact, and maybe can't find a specific record. Should be able to see the record. Okay, and let's give it a priority normal and save the case. And as you do, you can see right there the response time to business days, the service level, it's there already. So if we go back here to the model driven app and just refresh and maybe get it, we don't need to, so we got the data right here. So can't find a specific record, priority normal, 2 business days, and response time. So they do very well. And this goes to show how important it is to have rules that are server side and not only rules that are like in your interface, and then they can get you into trouble. So that's a good one. Thank you, and see you next time.